The U.S. Department of Justice has launched a grand jury probe into New York Attorney General Letitia James. This is in connection with her legal actions against President Trump and the National Rifle Association. Two grand jury subpoenas were issued by the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Northern District of New York, demanding records related to James' civil fraud lawsuit against Trump and her NRA-related litigation. The investigation centers on whether James violated Trump's civil rights in pursuing those cases, specifically as part of a deprivation of rights inquiry.
Two well-placed sources familiar with the probe tell Fox News that New York Attorney General Letitia James and her office is under investigation by the DOJ here in Washington. We're told that Attorney General Pam Bondi signed off on the probe. Subpoenas were sent to James's office, and there is a grand jury investigation underway in the New York State capital of Albany. The specific investigation, my colleague Jake Gibson, Ashley Oliver, and myself are being told involves deprivation of rights, which in plain language means someone in a position of legal authority violating someone else's constitutional or legal rights. Those sources tell Fox News the DOJ is going after James because she took then former President Donald Trump to court, quote, simply because she didn't like him and campaigned on getting him. DOJ, led by Bondi, believes she violated his First Amendment rights dealing with free speech. James has said before she believed Trump inflated his net worth to get good deals on loans from lenders and other financial benefits. Ms. James won in a court judgment of over $450 million.
A grand jury has been convened in Albany to support the federal investigation into James. The probe is being led by the Northern District of New York, with oversight potentially from officials within the Department of Justice's Weaponization Working Group. Part of the contested litigation background, in 2022, James secured a $355 million civil fraud judgment against Trump after alleging he and his businesses inflated property values to mislead lenders. That judgment is currently under appeal. She also filed a separate lawsuit against the NRA, resulting in accountability findings for financial mismanagement by its leadership. James's attorney, Abby Lowell, characterized the DOJ action as political retaliation and an abuse of law enforcement powers. Her office issued a statement warning against the weaponization of the justice system, affirming its commitment to its litigation work. The investigation is distinct from a separate federal mortgage fraud probe into James, though both fuel ongoing debate about the reach of federal inquiry into elected state officials. So what are your thoughts? Is every political opponent of Donald Trump now suddenly under investigation? Letitia James, Adam Schiff, James Comey, the Clintons, Obama. Did you vote for this? Do you want political retribution to occur? Here's another reality. Donald Trump never wanted this fight. They brought it to him. They made it personal. They hunted him. You can call him guilty, but he holds power now. And you may call this unethical, but the Democrats investigated Trump for 6 years. The way I look at it, everyone has dirt on them. And if you create political foes, it's only a matter of time before they come after you. I'm not sure what's right here, but many are going to look at this as basic reciprocity. Let me know your thoughts.